Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create custom field into account. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Invoice Custom Field Studio. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to custom fields and create new. If you want to create here, you can easily do it. But select here specific invoice model. So I want to create directly from the invoice. So go to invoicing, go to anyone, go to this action and see here this option add custom field. Now click on, write here field name like date, label is the date, available here multiple type. I want to select date time and see here default display model name because directly open from this invoice model. Select here date which before or after add. So I want to add before invoicing date. So select position before and apply property read only. Now add custom field and see here your added custom field date. And also apply this read only. It means you cannot add or edit this. Now go to custom field and also add here, open it and easily move draft to logged. Now I want to update this field and move in after this delivery date. So click on this update field, change the label and set date time. Choose slave. Choose here delivery date and position is after and remove these properties. Now update this. Go to invoice and say here date remove before this invoice date and added after this delivery date and also remove properties read only. It means now you can add here date with time and save. So using this server app, you can easily add custom field for specific model and also set position before after. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.